Oh man, what has he got?
Whatever it is, it's big, bro.
Kinston, sit down for me until this fish gets closer, okay? All right, Sam, we're going to go back through the slough and land him down in here, okay? We're just going to go backwards. Just hang on to him. Good job.
He's running for him.
Well, we're going backwards pretty hard. Don't let him get on the shoal right there. Just keep him to the right. Did you lose him?
No, I still got him. He's coming along real smooth now.
You got slack and you don't need slack, bro.
He came right at me, though. Alright.
Okay, buddy.
I'm going to go on to the right, to the slick water. Just hang on to him. Don't let him get in the propeller.
Come on, buddy.
Like that.
Got him, buddy. Come on. Come on, fishy. Oh! Oh! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Oh, get him! Get him! Let him! Get him!
Got him?
Yeah, we got
Good
him.
job, Kinston.
Bring him on up.
Whoa!
Aha.
Get the pliers.
Hold that for me while I get the
Let's get him back in the water real quick.
Get him back in the water real quick because we cannot keep him because I don't have any of this. I gotta turn him over on the side.
Buddy, buddy.
Get away from the treble hooks, Callie. Get away. Sit down for me, babe.
What trouble works?
It's on me. Alright, there's one. First one out.
That's a big one.
That is pretty big. Let me get him on up.
Put your thumb in his mouth and bring him out. There you go. Now, get your pliers. You got it.
There we go. Barely
All right.
hooked.
Hold him up. Hold him sideways real quick.